ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಸ್ एंट्रन्स बंद केला पडला फुल पोलीस कव्हर केला आपण 25 सिक्युरिटी कचेरी
बरं तू गेलो फोटो काढच्या गावामध्ये तू बंद कर रे
काढी काढी
तोंड दिसू का ना ते होम डिपो त्याला बनी तोंडाचा काय नाव
काय आहे
काय होम डिपो पण तुम्हाला आम्ही जाय ना होम डिपो नाही होम इम्प्रूव्हमेंट म्हणे का सिरियल कॉमेडी Never. He has never shown his face. Always it is like
Allah ba. Kada ina. Kada dan da basan.
This is Divanayam. It is a kind of a common court. Suppose you have some problem, you come here. King, Queen, Prime Minister, they will give you justice. You can't meet the Prime Minister now, but that time you can meet the Prime Minister, you can meet the King, and you can meet the Queen. And Queen is very beautiful, like all of you. But she can see everybody, but nobody can see the Queen. In Muslim, they cover the car. This is called Divanayam. What is the meaning of Divanayam? It is a common court. Anybody can come, whether you are a poor or a rich, lady or a gent, South India or Mangalore or Bangalore. You understand? Arthamainda? And the shooting of the fana was done here. Kana hai. Chand sifarish karta hamari hum ho jate fun. That is shooted here. The paintings of the birds is not a painting. In English you say inlay, in French you say marquise. In German you say tartan, in Dutch you say. In Spanish as Tucardo, in Italian. In Japanese there is a in Korean Kiricho. In your language you say shill, bum, a shill. I speak 40 languages of the world. People say you are a great man. Chalo, come on. आपकी किस्मत खुल गई भाई. You are very lucky. Your group is now very happy. Come on. And killed his brother. Why? He wanted to sit on the throne. And his father said, no, you cannot sit on the throne. He said, why? He said, your number is 3. First number 1, then 2nd, then 3rd. Then this is the bathroom, hammam. There are 4 apartments in there. 1 room cold water, 2nd room hot water, 3rd room perfume water, 4th room makeup. I will show you. You have never seen in the world. This is Diwane Khas. There was a peacock throne, all made of gold, taken by Iran. Why? That man was not listening. Like you people were not listening. When I was asking the guide, so no. When you don't take a guide, you don't listen me, you don't know anything. When you take a guide, you listen me, you know everything. This man, always eating, always drinking.
Water?
Drinking. And what is his name? Muhammad Sharangila, grandson of Aurangzeb. And somebody told him, your enemy is coming. in not listening. Marquez. In German he says Dutch. In Dutch he says Dutch. In Spanish he says in Italian in Japanese there is in Korean there is in Russian in Kuzdasia. In your Shilpa, in your South India language. In Konkani is Pula. Fool, understand?
Not fool.
Now we are going to show you the bathroom. One room cold,
Okay, what is the significance?
second room hot,
Oh, young
third
man.
room perfume. Wait, 2 minutes. I will ask you
What is the
whether you are
significance of
listening
the-
or not.
What is the significance of the touch you said?
You?
It's a fool.
Tell him.
Simple.
Tell him. What? He is asking a question. What you feel in touch? Everybody can answer.
Inlet.
Yes. Good boy. Listen, you not understand boy. So like this. When you touch, you feel there is stones in there. When you touch, then you feel. If you look, you don't know what is that. Painting or ink? Yes. Inlay, Shilpa, Shilpam. Tamil. Then he ran away from the secret key and he was caught by Officer Hudson. And India was under the British.
Last of the Mughal.
Last, Bahadur Shah. When India got freedom in 1947, the last rise of India Lord Mountbatten and first Prime Minister Nehru, they put British flag down, Indian flag down. That is the Independence Day of India is 15th August 1947. Like the Independence of US is 4th of July 1776. Like this. Ajay, you born in 42. Yes sir. आ जाओ भाई. अब खत्म हो रहा है कार्यक्रम. तो 67 ठीक. हाँ भाई मेरा भाई जल्दी इधर आओ खत्म होने वाला काम क्या है आपके बिना काम नहीं है इधर आओ आप जितना दूर रहेंगे हमको बोलने में डॉक्टर साहब बोलते तेज नहीं
इसका बीवी है, इसका बीवी है वो।
हाँ चल इधर पास में हो, किसी का भी हो दूर में नहीं है हम बोलेंगे आप उधर रहेंगे तो सुनाएंगे सब लोग बोलो BHA अब आप क्वेश्चन आ रहा जो आप सोच रहे क्या 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 सब वो सब का आंसर आएगा बोलो BHA JSA P for Babar H for Humayun A for Akbar
मुगल hierarchy.
J for Jahangir S for Shah Jahan Shah means king Jahan means world he wanted to call himself as a king of the world. What is the meaning of Shah Jahan? King of the world. Who is that? He made Taj Mahal. He made Jama Masjid. And then Aurangzeb. Then last King Jafar. If you know BHA, JSA, you know that. Now come here. Now start the camera.
Bob, चांदनी चौक इधर.
हाँ
चांदनी चौक.
हाँ
कपिल सिब्बल MP.
एवढा लेटेस्ट स्टडी म्हणजे
हाँ
ठीक आहे यादव देव जाऊ शकतो
यो
क्षत्रिय
हाँ
देव जाऊ शकतो आपलं कसं हॉटेल काम केलं पीपल अडॉप्टेड being
Look for Mr. Kohli.
World famous Kohli.
Right.
Kohli, and you speak Yakta That's why you can have
पटला बताइए देखो land of paradise won by the merit of his actions, but remaining on this earth by the memory of his fame. By him, the king who attained sole supreme sovereignty in the world, acquired by his own arm and enjoyed for a very long time, and who, having the name of Chandra of India, Hindu, carried a beauty of countenance like the beauty of the full moon, having in faith fixed his mind upon the Lord Vishnu. This fourth century.
कन
रुद्राक्ष तुम्हाला ताजी रोपे
कंच
दोन्ही एक बोत रुद्राक्ष तुका नेपाळा मात पळोवचें मेळटा
ते माळ आजी
रुद्राक्ष म्हणटा पळय
वय
वैकमुखी द्विमुखी चतुर्मुखी ते बरं ते जावची रोप वय वय वय
आकाश तिचं नाव त्यामध्ये छान एक हे असेल.
हमको मत
तुका
साइड में रखी साइड में रखी